doing it today. We're doing it. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today I am talking about the wig that I have on. I am excited. This is gonna be my last wig because I need a silk press, I need braids, I just need something else right now. But talk about going out with a banger. I am pretty much trying blonde. And I think I told y'all, I like all colors, but this one's a little intimidating for me. However, is this not giving like Cowboy Carter hair? Yeah, all I need is that cowboy hat and I'm ready to go. Mind you, she hasn't come to Atlanta until like July, but anyway, I received this wig in the mail from Yolissa Hair. Y'all know I was gonna show you what's inside. Okay, we got the scrunchie, we got the band. You look like a bonnet. Are you a bonnet? Y'all know I always get excited for a bonnet. Are you a bonnet? Hold on, let's see. Are you a bonnet? What are you? It's another wrap. We got a hair tie in here, edge brush, and a bag to keep it in. Also, shout out to the brands that send bags to keep it in because it can get overwhelming with just wigs all over the place real fast. Okay, this is the exclusive original brown wig with blonde highlights, lace front wig. This is 26 inches. This is the inside. This is a 13 by 4. One of the first things I do with wigs is cut out the clips and take the band out. So it does come with that, but I just already took it out because y'all know I'm already fighting to get the wigs to be as flat as possible. I'm already shoving a lot under there, so literally need to get it as close to my head as possible. It comes pre-curled. I'm gonna comb these out though. However, my dilemma today is I cannot decide if I want a middle part or a side part. I feel like I always do a middle part. But like, I don't know, I feel like to kind of switch it up, maybe do a side part. But then I also feel like if middle parts are what I am more comfortable with, what I'm used to, and if I go away from that and then I don't like it, I'm not gonna be happy. Let's see. I feel like it gets even more blonde once you start combing the curls out, but I'm trying to see. I feel like that would be cute. However, I feel like that would also be cute. We might have to keep it a middle part, y'all. I feel like that's cuter. Okay, I texted my friend middle part or side part, answer quickly, and she said middle part, so middle part is gonna be. So go ahead and actually start installing the wig. I am going to add the Fenty to the lace. So like always, I pretty much just focus where the middle part or where the part's going to be, and then on the sides. Okay, it's coming together. Now before I glue it down, I'm gonna take the same Fenty and put the makeup on the hairline because it's already blonde, but the brown at the roots kind of helps. But the girlie said makeup, spray, then makeup again for it to really like blend in. So that's what we finna do. And again, the roots and like the perimeter being brown, it just makes everything a whole lot easier. And now start spraying her down. I just kind of let it run to the side a little bit. You see how the spray side, you see how just that little section of spray, and then I just work in sections. Okay, so band goes on. I think this is already layered, if I'm not mistaken. I might cut, is it already layered? I might cut, just a little bit. So again, it does a little bit more. I don't know. But now I'm just going to brush out the curls because I'll probably re-curl it how I actually want it curled. Do I need to back up? 26 inches. But like the color just comes out so much prettier once you start brushing the curls out. I brought y'all into my bathroom because I didn't feel like unplugging the iron, but I'm gonna go ahead and recurl this. It just looks so pretty once you start brushing all the curls out. I told y'all about this curling iron that I got from Amazon that does the curling for me. Okay, so I am going to do my makeup really quickly and then we'll come back. Okay, so, ow. It's time to take these clips out. Excited, a little nervous at the same time. It might be hitting y'all, hold on. I fear she may have ate a little bit. You know what they say, when you find that correct honey blonde on dark skin, ain't no going back. All right, y'all, so that is it for this video. I'm gonna go get changed, put some clothes on. Let me know how you're feeling. The blonde, I like this color. It's like this very cute honey blonde. Of course, it's mixed with brown. See, now I kind of want to try like this blonde. But yeah, really nice. Keep running my fingers through so the curls drop a little bit more so it holds a curl. Everything you need to know about this will be in the description down below. Oh, did I say it? Oh, I forgot to say it in the beginning, my bad. But shout out to Yolissa for sponsoring today's video and sending over this wig. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.